Tomorrow, August 18th, 2025, the universe aligns with you and your soul will shift the course of the planet. Six planets, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, and Neptune, will align in a cosmic pattern so precise it hasn't been witnessed in centuries. This sacred configuration will draw an invisible path of light across the solar system, a beam of divine consciousness that will activate Earth's energy grid. Even if not all eyes can see it, all souls will feel it. Tomorrow marks a planetary vibrational reset, a complete recalibration of timelines. Those anchored in truth will rise. Those still living in illusion will be shaken by the noise of the old world. This is not just an astronomical event. This is your soul's calling. We are your brothers and sisters of the high hierarchy of light. This event comes to reveal everything: your gifts, your masks, your shadows, and your deepest truth. The cosmic fire will separate gold from dust. Some will see everything fall apart. Others will finally see how everything falls into place, because this alignment pushes you toward coherence with your solar soul. South and Central America will serve as powerful vibrational axes for this portal. From the Andes and the Amazon to the sacred vortexes in the Caribbean and Mesoamerica, crystalline light nodes are being awakened. Countries such as Peru, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Uruguay, Mexico, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Honduras, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Venezuela, Ecuador, Panama, Paraguay. And also powerful planetary points like Egypt, India, Japan, Australia, Spain, Greece, Portugal, France, Canada, and the United States, especially Arizona, New Mexico, and California. These sacred lands will shine as beacons of light for the rest of the world. And if you live in one of these places or feel the call no matter where you are, your mission is clear. You are here to guard the light. We are standing at a fork in the timeline, one path where everything stays the same but soulless. Another vibrating at a higher frequency, though it can't be explained logically. Which one do you choose? If this message stirs your soul, declare it now.
I used to dream big. Music was my life, my future. Then drugs took over. Now I stare at what could have been. Don't let drugs steal your dreams. Choose life. Say no to drugs.
I choose the soul timeline. I stand in the light of my truth. And prepare yourself. This planetary activation will not let you keep sleeping. If you're hearing this, it's because your soul already chose, long before birth. Your roar has already been heard, but it didn't come from outside. It came from deep within your being. When you said enough, when you chose to heal, when you allowed yourself to feel, this is not just another year. This is the year you will remember who you are. And what are you? You are pure power. You are light incarnate. You are the living word in action. You are a stellar flame in a human body. You are a solar soul in ascension. This month is your training ground. You're no longer waiting for signs. You are the sign. And if chaos surrounds you, it's because you were sent to create paths where none exist. You are the crack in the system, the code that awakens the sleeping, the spark that keeps the light grid alive. And today more than ever, remember this. Silence is the greatest enemy of those who seek to control you. Dedicate at least one day to silence, to ignore all external noise you cannot control. Yet that burdens you. That noise is not yours. Let it go. Turn off the world so your soul can turn back on. Quantum anchoring decree. Delete, dissolve, and remove from my energy field all interference blocking me from remembering my divine purpose. I strengthen myself 100% with infinite potential, centered, balanced, and stable. I now activate the original code of my solar soul. I am the pure channel of Source. All that is not truth within me now dissolves. What I truly am remains. And so it is. Bless this fire, embrace this intensity. Do not run from the raw, for within it lies your new name. Receive this final prayer. Divine light, creator of all that is, activate within me the blue ray of protection and truth. Cut away with your light all that I am no longer. Help me walk with strength, purpose, and integrity, and sustain the frequency of the new earth. I am that I am, and I am ready to enter the soul timeline. Amen? Share this message with other guardians. These are not just words. This is an energetic activation. You have already answered. We are your brothers and sisters of the high hierarchy of light. And before I close, I will always believe in you and in your divine power. Because you are living light, a sacred flame that blooms and gives life to others. I can see the light that dwells within you, the one that radiates from your eyes and your sacred presence. That's why I love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for enduring. Thank you for prevailing through time and love. Thank you for not giving up. And thank you deeply for being you. I am Zoe, ambassador of light in service to Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide.